Clinical psychologists do assessment and treatment work in hospitals, clinics and private practice. They work with individuals and groups who may be suffering from mental health problems such as anxiety, depression, post-traumatic stress disorder, personality disorders and also substance abuse. People are assessed by using psychometric testing, interviews and observing their behaviour. Treatment plans may include counselling and coping therapies. When delivering treatment, they work with a number of other health professionals, including psychiatrists, nurse therapists, social workers and counselling psychologists. Some clinical psychologists also carry out research into mental health, service delivery and treatment evaluation. They may design, create and adapt therapies to help clients with particular mental health problems. All clinical psychologists have their BPS registration and a specialist postgraduate qualification. Log on to bps.org.uk for up-to-the-minute information. This branch of psychology is particularly defined by its medical setting and its focus on patient treatment. Being a clinical psychologist is not about using offender profiling to solve crimes, same as forensic psychology really. Working with people who are distressed or disturbed can be very rewarding, but at the same time it can be very intense and very draining. So despite what you might have seen on Casualty or Holby City, working in the NHS isn't quite as glamorous as that. You need to have a real passion for clinical work. You will not succeed if you're just there because it seems like a good career. Clinical psychology is very competitive and there's intense competition for jobs, even as assistant clinical psychologist, the first rung of the ladder. The good news is though, there's no shortage of jobs once you're qualified, with applications from men and mature students particularly welcomed. The best way to check if this is the career for you and gain some really vital work experience that your peers might not have is to take up some relevant work in the caring field or as a sandwich year as part of your degree. Even if it doesn't turn out to be your thing, then it's still brilliant experience to have.